All right. Hey, ugly bunglies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be playing Animal Jam, and I just got a new editing software called KineMaster. It's free. I am advertising KineMaster because it's really good, even though they're not promoting me. I just want you to know that my videos and quality will overall get better, and I'll be able to cut in the middle of a video and just edit out certain parts. So this is my Animal Jam account. I'm on level 23. I'm part of a colony and all that stuff. I really like my character. I'll show you my character. I'm Igloo 9. This is what they look like. And yes, I do have a pet duck because ducks are my thing. My cat is being really demanding right now. She hates it when I film YouTube videos because she's like, who the hell are you talking to? She has an imaginary friend and she gets jealous when I talk to nobody because she wants her imaginary friend to come. Her imaginary friend just like moves stuff around the house randomly for her, and we'll just see her toys being turned on by nothing. So she's like, I'm the only one allowed to have an imaginary friend, but in reality she's not. Yep, I called you out. What is this? Pheasants? They look like chickens. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, my friend Jenica would love this so much. I can go to a lot of places because I have a slide. Today I'm going to be decorating my igloo. I'm just going to be playing some games. Isn't this fun? Digital slides are so much fun. What's this? What's master attacks? Create music? Could I become a famous rapper? Yes, I do want to play, but it's really glitchy. Hold on, guys. I didn't want a red panda when they came out. I have a direwolf and a bunch of direwolf stuff, which I know are extremely rare. Because they're never coming back to Animal Jam. I want to play this game. This is my first time playing Master Tracks. I'm going to create a track. That's it? I could genuinely make a song here. What would I make a song about? This is so cool that they're letting kids do this. That's such a cool rhythm. You hear that? It sounds exotic. Yeah, I don't... No rhythms. Yeah, it's cool, but I just use a music software app if I ever want to release music, which I will. But right now, I needed a good editing software, so it is possible now. If this works out for me, I should be able to do Always Beat the Ender Dragon soon, and it should be released. However, I still have to shoot the music video and get everything prepared. And I'm gonna invite some more of my friends to see if they want to shoot the video with me too. I'm just gonna play a game to earn some gems. I've never played Temple of Trivia either. There's a lot of new games. I haven't been on in forever. I have no idea. It's a cancer. It's a crustacean. Oh, I'm so nervous. I'm in 3rd place. Okay. female. It's a type of grass, isn't it? I'm so good. I have no idea what that word is. In the ocean, they live in trees. What if the trees was the right one? We were all just stupid. Alright, I'm done. I don't like this game that much. It's cool, but not that cool. Maybe if you were really good at trivia, which I'm not, so it's not really enjoyable for me. Plus, I don't enjoy trivia just like in a fun way. Even if I wasn't good at it and I enjoyed it, I never enjoyed it. You know, I'm actually a Cancer, so my zodiac sign is a crab. Crab rave, rave in the grave, rave in the grave. My grandma's got a rave, rave in the grave, rave in the grave. Oh no, I want to see more crab rave. Oh my god. Don't tell me that is not a crab rave. The crab is literally dabbing. Look at its hand. All his hands are up except one where it's dabbing. Raving. That crab's not raving. No, they don't have enough crab rave pictures. Sapphires. I don't like trading Animal Jam because I'm actually working on customizing my new den I got. You guys want to see my den? You can visit my den too in Animal Jam. Let me go home. No, my home. So this is the new one I got because it has. I thought it'd be cooler and I thought it'd be a bigger space, but it's not. It just is what it is, honestly. Nothing to do about it. But I'm gonna make it super quirky and just cool and a little weird because of how weird it is overall and like this awesome view. Just like the idea of living in the cities has always been a dream of mine. But I also have a castle that I can trade out for. Here, I'll show you. I have the Lucky Castle, which I'm also working on. The Lucky Castle is actually complete. Wise. That's not supposed to be here. Hold on a second. Everything else about my castle is complete except that. That's not supposed to be here, I guarantee you that. Okay. So, this is it. No. What is that? I think that's a juice bar. Whatever. I don't think that's supposed to be here, and I want it in my other What do you mean I can't have that? Yeah. I guess my shop isn't open, so I can't have it since I'm not a member right now. And what is that doing there? It's just a bunch of random stuff. When did I do this? Okay, so now I'm gonna get the door. I'm just gonna fix it up for you guys. Alright, let's go. So we have a carriage on its way to the castle on the pathway, and we have some trees that I planted and some flowers, and there's another carriage on its way. We have a lookout and just like a jungle gym and a little place to have a picnic. We also have a green fountain because I thought it would go really good with the green and this place to look out. Obviously, I have a churro because I have a bunch of food in my place that just, you know, for my guests. And a little soccer ball in case they want to play soccer. So it looks like someone's playing outside. My duck loves it. I have a pond for my duck, actually. If I can find it. Where's my pond? I guess it just didn't go well with the scenery. So I used, to get this red carpet, I used multiple carpets. There's a painting behind the throne chair and a dragon guarding it, as long as with these rose linings and these like banners. and a ribbon because I usually have a cat because I just like it. And in gold, that's what the dragon's protecting, obviously. And then we go up to my bedroom. It's a 2-person bedroom. It has this desk and this chair, as well as a rug. It has some Direwolf plushies on it, and some of these no longer selling things, as long as a cat tree and a mushroom chair, which is no longer available for sale either. I have a random apple tree. This needs work on. I already know where I'm gonna put though, so don't worry. Here, let's rearrange that. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Go. What kind of scenery do I want? I want to put this here somewhere. Dog. See, doesn't that just look so nice? I also have the Keys Palace. I have a lot of stuff for that. And then I have this, which I am going to put down because it's too small, actually. Rainbow rug for gay rights. I like that one better. I don't know where I'm gonna put like this flower archway. This is my deck, another dragon, and just an arcade that I'm building up. And this right here, I made a couch and a spike table and a moon. But just let me fix this scenery right here because it needs to like become more like natural and organic looking, you know. I have a hippo pond. Of course, I want to get a hippo pond. Yeah, I put some clovers down just to make it look more lucky. There we go. I think I might just put the rainbow fountain. No, that looks like what about this? Okay, that would go really good. Like here. No, because I want to put that somewhere else. Okay, what about furniture and stuff? Maybe this goes like here? No? When did this get smaller? I do like the look of it being a door and just like a door, you know? I do want to put that there actually. But, I'm just gonna put this right here. And like not have it have anything. Or do I? That's not what I wanted. Okay, I like that. There we go. Oh. Right. Okay, so that is everything you guys need to see at my den. And now we're going to decorate my other den. I really like this look. It just has this jungly forest vibe. That's like 2 pieces together. And you see it has this shamrock only thing and like this beautiful nightlight. So I'm going to go and I'm going to earn some coins. I'm also just gonna look at the furniture because it's new and I haven't been here in a long time. Oh my god. I need that. That will go so good in my painter's chair. Oh, they're getting rid of the piles of gold. Of course I have a shamrock plushie. exactly 3-coin short. Okay, I'm gonna go play some games because that's all they have at the Furniture Mart. I'm going to get peanut butter and jelly bed to go in that, so I want to save up for that, but I also want the hippo beanbag in there. So I think I'm gonna ask some random people, and I'm gonna play some games. I might have to. Okay, perfect. I might have to I might have to go off camera, earn some coins, and then decorate my screen on camera. But I'm gonna play like one game, and then I'm gonna cut it off and like do some work off camera. Plus, I'm leaving to go to the pet store in like 30 minutes. I just choose to have a bunny avatar. I don't know why. Oh, is this Connect 4? Listen, I haven't played in so long. Yet I've like been in this month, but like, you know. I know where she's gonna go. Or he. Really? Okay. And? Where are they gonna go? You idiot! You idiot! I win! No! Oh, they weren't that smart. Okay. I clicked the wrong button. Alright, bye guys. I gotta go to the pet store. I'll log it. No, I gotta log out. Peace out, ugly buglies. I'll be right back. That's my editing software. Hold on. Alright, hey ugly buglies! So I finally finished decorating. Hold on a second. Oh my god, I got stuck. Okay, so I finally finished decorating, and I want to show you everything I did. This is the living room and dining room. I hung up some art, and I got this pink theme going on. This is like the dining room. It's under a little nest. And there's the little swing on the porch that you can swing from. There's a koala there. That's by mistake. It's not supposed to be there. I'll show you the bedroom and my cat's bedroom because it's a 2-bedroom house. I thought about putting a toilet, but I decided not to. That's a little weird. There's this really cool archway, and then obviously there's a loft. There's this rug, which is levitating for some reason, and this bed. I made this bed pushing 2 pieces of chairs together. There's a little window because there needs to be a window because of the pink theme. A little flower, a direwolf plushie, and a koala plushie. Then there is this room, which is my cat's room or my duck's room, so they can have a nap right there. You can see there's a little pillow and a blanket. It's not the same. It's not nearly the same, but I like it. I think I'm gonna rearrange something. Yeah, hold on. I think cleaning supplies should be in my house, even though they are necessary. I want this to look realistic, you know, but maybe I can have the best of both worlds and just put this here. I do like that better. Do I? No, I don't. Okay. Let me get the cleaning supplies back up. Or is something else there? Actually, I'm gonna move this painting right here. I like that a lot better. It really complements everything. Maybe I can should I put a pond? No, that's ugly. Wouldn't this be cool to just have? It takes up way too much space though, and it doesn't complement posterior. As you can see, I'm still struggling to figure out what else I should put here. Yeah, I like that. Maybe just a fountain to go. Right, yeah, I like that. There we go. All done. As you can see, it's a little room set up. Tell me if you like it better with or without the flower fountain, you know? And just leave in the comments below if you want more Animal Jam videos. This is another one of my house tours. So you can see it's a very lovely place. However, I would not recommend the Painter's Loft. It was very easy to decorate. However, it is very small. And it is not worth buying coins over. Maybe if it was cheaper, but it's not cheap. So I have a hippo fridge, a painting, and just some decorations going up, you know. Yeah, that's all. Alright. I got this. Oh, I have this. 10 sapphires? 5 sapphires. It's not that much. Escape the Phantoms. Oh my gosh, let's do it! Let's try to beat Escape the Phantoms. Let's try to get a distance over 10,000. Ready? Wow, I'm going really slow. I forgot forgot how to play this game. Guess I remember enough. Yeah, I don't Gosh, this takes forever. I guess it gets faster as you go along. How do I open the chest? I don't know how to break those things. No! How do I break those? Oh my gosh. That was the answer the whole time, guys. I guess I have to get my speakers. Wow, how do I get good at this game? Like, this game is really hard. This game is like I'm worried it's gonna catch Yeah, there was no way I'm getting that far. I want to quit. Oh, I got more? Really? That was it? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm gonna put that on my character right now. That's so freaking cute. It just looks like a bunny tail. I'll take... I just want the bunny tail. And this is what looks cool. Okay, that one looks cooler. Never mind, but this does look cool. I need to take off the bracelet, though. see. Where is it? Where's the treasure hunts they always have? Where are those? Do they get rid of treasure hunts? Wow. Okay, where do I do a treasure hunt? Rut. I guess they got rid of treasure hunts? It doesn't make sense. I'm gonna go to a party though. Ew. That's it? This is it? Looks like she has backup dancers. Alright, peace out.